Here's a great deal on a 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.